I've been shopping. So guys, I've been shopping for a lot of things that I love. I've had my eyes on. I screenshot them, put them in my cart, and I'm loving the pieces I actually got. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Magdalene. On this channel I talk about fashion, travel and lifestyle, and I do believe if you look good you feel your best, you know. So let's get into these pieces I got because I love all of them. Some dupes and even a designer bag that's for a steal. Guys, so the first item I want to talk about is this bag charm. It's a very nice bag charm. I bought it in gray color. I really wish I got it in a brown color, but I love it. Like, I love that it looks like a small baby. Like, very beautiful bag. Whenever I'm tense to the office, I just touch it to relax. That's how soft and succulent it is, like as tender as a baby. So this bag charm is just for me to elevate my bag, so I'm going to add it to my bags. Any type of bag that I just feel like elevating, I want to switch it up, I don't want it to look the same every day, I'll just add this bag charm to it. I would have preferred if this was gold because most of my bags are gold, or if your bag zipper is, or the hardware on your bag is silver, this will blend in so nicely. But if you don't mind a mix of metals, this is perfect for you. So I love it. Very beautiful. You can see I'm going to add it to one of the bags in this video that I got. So the next thing I got is this sunglasses. It's a Loewe sunglasses that I got. It's a dupe. I really love this bag, this sunglasses. I never even knew it was going to come with a case for a dupe. I never expected it, but this is very nice sunglasses. I love these sunglasses. You guys can see that. If you are familiar with this designer brand, I will insert a picture for you guys to see. You know that this is a dupe of one of their sunglasses that cost more. I don't really know how the real designer is, and I'm not really a fan of sunglasses for me to be curious about the real designer, but this is a dupe that I love. Yes, we see it. This is perfect. Does it look good with this look? I guess so. This is a very nice sunglasses to have. It's giving fun, it's giving playful, it's giving chic. This you can wear for vacation, you can wear to the beach, and if you don't mind, you can wear this on your regular days going out, which is not my thing to wear sunglasses, but I know that when I go on vacations, when I go to the beach, this will be perfect to shield my face from the sun. It's not as if this is quality, because don't get me wrong, this is not really a quality set of sunglasses. It is actually budget friendly. It is not the Loewe sunglasses itself, so this will at least do the job. So this is nice. It gives you the look, it gives you the fact that it can protect you from the sun rays, which I love. So I'm going to be wearing this a lot, especially for vacation. What I want to talk about is this bone cuff. I've always had this on my mind to have, though I have an issue with the fact that it's first is silver, second it is not really bone cuffing like I expected, because, and that's not the fault of the product, it's the fault of my wrist. I have such a very tiny wrist. Don't know if the video is giving it off as tiny as it could be, so I had to squeeze it and press it for it to fit. You can see it's a very nice style bone cuff. I also wish it was thicker than this, but what do I expect for the price? The nice bone cuff, it gives you the look of the bone cuff. This bone cuff is it's trendy in 2024. Many brands are actually doing bone cuff bracelets. Cuffs are back, and if you know what cuffs used to be in 2000s and 2018 2019 period, cuffs are for, and you wait for your on your wrist, you wait to style your hair. It was that fun back then, and I was glad it's back, and I can also experience how it feels. And this is really nice and beautiful. I love this bone cuff, and I highly recommend to get it. If you don't like bone cuff, you can go for bracelet, but this is still, I'm even having my eyes on other two bone cuff, but this time in gold, but I will get it maybe later this year. But this I love. I'm going to have a lot of use for it because something you can just pop on and go. Mix it with your gold and jewelry. You can mix it with silver, just like I'm wearing. Get into the bags because that's my favorite part of every video. I love shopping for bags, and if you're not new here, you know about this already. So let's talk about this bag, which is from Primark. It's also the bags I'm talking about are actually thrift hauls. So this bag, it's a Primark bag. I think it's Atmosphere, so that it is from Primark, from the label. So from Primark, it's from the label, but the brand is Atmosphere. Really love the bag. I love the fact that it is two-toned. You can see it is both blue and black, and I've been trying to get black accessories into my closet because I realized that I don't gravitate towards black in any way. And some people will say, what type of fashionista doesn't wear black? I don't wear black, but I decided to introduce it through accessories, and this is a two-tone accessory bag which I love. It's giving a dupe of MS. If you're familiar with the MS Birkin bag, just it looks like the dupe of it. And this I love. This style is very, very perfect. I never even knew that I would love this kind of design of bag. I had to have it because this is an Instagram brand that sells them, and she sells out so fast, so I had to pay for it, to stockpile it and all that. And I love the bag. It has an upper zipper. It can fit in a lot. Initially I was like, why is this bag so small? Because I assume it was a very big tote style bag, because I realized that I like tote style bag because I have my 9 to 5 job. I like to fit in a lot into my bag, fit in my ID, my wallet and all that. So this is really, really perfect for you if you need a nice style tote handbag. It can fit in as much as possible. So let me go back and fit the bag charm to the bag, because this is where it was sitting with this bag. So this is the bag charm on it. You can see how it looks so nice and beautiful. Like, if you want to elevate your bag, you need a bag charm. Just consider getting it for you. Like your old bags that you want to revamp, get some bag charms, beads and all that, and elevate the look. And you know this is actually trending in 2024, so you get some more bag charm to elevate your bags. So this is the first bag, my favorite. I'm already wearing this. I was looking for an excuse to wear. I kept the best for the last, and this is this Coach vintage bag. Guys, can you see? Very, very nice vintage Coach bag. It's giving style, it's giving designer, it's giving chic. I love this bag, and I got it from the thrift store. When I saw this bag, I was like, for the price, is this still okay? But you can see it is still okay. It's large, it can fit in a lot, and if you have a medium-sized laptop, that will sit in nicely with the bag. Put it into the main bag, and if you just want to fit in your other stuff, it has 2 zipper at the side. So this is the only part that has zipper is at the side. You can see another zipper here, so you can fit in your valuables at the sides of the bag. Then it has an inner pocket, which is typical of tote bags. Inner pocket here. Then you get to see the label of the brand to authenticate the bag and all that. So I really, really love this bag. I've been hunting for these Coach bags on the internet, especially all these vendors, and I have to check and read about what to look out for, because it's easy for you to fall prey into counterfeit bag. There's this Loewe positive dupe I really wanted. I really wish it was a dupe. I would have paid the price for it, but it's actually a counterfeit or a fake, and they're trying to post it as the real deal, and I don't like that. I detest it when you're trying to sell a counterfeit for a steal, according to you, like you're selling it cheaper for me, but we know it is not real. Just give me the dupe. It looks like it's the same look, the same style, the same vibe, but I know I'm not having the real bag. Anyway, if you guys know where to, I will get good recommendation of. I know where to get some Loewe dupes, which is international, but I'm trying to avoid anything that involves international shipping back to me in Nigeria. So guys, I would like some recommendation for you guys to comment down below where I could get recommendation of nice dupes of Loewe puzzle bag, because I love that bag. So this, and it also has a side pocket which you can fit in your stuff. I've not worn this bag yet. It's like I'm pampering it for special days. I don't know, but I love this bag. I love it a lot, and I want to see if this bag charm I got will fit this other side of the bag, which also fit this bag. So let's see. So apparently this one is also gold hardware, and here, what do you guys think? Is it giving it some form of elevation? I guess. I wouldn't know. Let's see. Guys, so you see, this I love. So this is my haul. I really, really love it. Especially, I'm most excited about the Coach bag, which I was able to get from the thrift store, and I'm loving the fact that I could get a Coach bag for thrift. Then the Loewe dupe sunglasses and the bag charm, like everything is all I like it, including the cuffs. So I've had them on my mind. I've had them screenshot. I've been chasing the brands to see if I can get good options. I've lost some Coach bags which are beautiful, but this one I still love. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Which of my haul do you like? Is it the Coach designer bag? Is it the other bag from Atmosphere, or is it the Loewe and sunglasses dupe? So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel till another time. Bye guys.